Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers today. So a fairly quick noodle we're going to do today. All going to be $2 rolls. So I think we've got $500 worth of $2 coins to go through today. Let's zoom on in a bit and we'll see what we can find. They're all fairly boring enders. So not too hopeful, but we'll never know. We'll crack it open, let's see what we can get. We might push through this fairly quickly if we can find some nice shiny coins, any sort of colour at all. There's a 2021, this is looking fairly beaten up already. Nothing special there. Oh, we got a bit of colour here. So, what is that one again? That's the Commonwealth Games from 2018. Alright, we'll pop that guy out and he can be our first colour find for this video. Let's hope there's a few more. I never do these really well. I should either stack them up nicely. Alright, let's just go. Hopefully you guys can see the dates because I'm struggling. There's a 2013. Let's have a quick little scan. Don't appear to be any others there worth hanging on to. No. Alright. Push those ones aside. So we're $50 down. $2017. 2018. Another 2021. No colour. $99. Nothing there. Always check for 2011s as well. There's a 2021 or 2022. Hey, cool. Alright, don't think there's anything else. And I think it's only my second one of these I've found. So that's the Australian Frontline Workers. Alright, that's cool. Let's put that one aside. Did I look at all these in my hand? Nothing there. Alright, 2 rolls, 2 colours. Let's open her up like this. What are we seeing? Maybe something newer right there. Alright, let's pop a few out into the hand. Get back to those ones. We've got a gold poppy coming through. Not bad. Alright. Not really low mintage, but certainly is a collector's favourite. So what was that? Is that a 20? Oh, we got 2011. There we go. So some good finds coming through straight away. So this is the lowest minted of the Aboriginal Elder coins at around 1.7 million from memory. don't have the figures up in front of us, so but it is good to find a 2011. And no, 2018. A few more coins left in the roll here. And nothing there. And that was the shiny one we're looking at, which is a 2018. Alright. Alright, well, we're doing very well in this hunt. This is probably my best $2 roll hunt in a while, especially from the start, which is nice. Actually, I haven't done any $2 roll hunting since probably March. It's been a while. Actually, I did do 2 rolls. 2 rolls. That's all I've done since March. Where's the rest of it? Another poppy. Put that aside, we'll put him there for now. Nothing else in that one. And so we're up to the 5th roll out of our $500. $2014. $2001. We got your 21, but no colour. And that's it for that roll. Might be the first roll we didn't get anything out of. $2020, nothing. Where's that one? Another 2020. And that seems to be it. Oh, I've got a few more. But nothing in there. Started off alright. Still got 4 more rolls to finish up this hunt though. So I've had plenty of comments on the last few videos that I've put out, and I thank you very much for letting me know what you guys are finding. If you're interested to see what other people are finding, please jump on PJ's Coin Capers Facebook group or read some of the comments, and people like to let me know where they're from around the country, and they let me know what well, generally they're telling me what they're not finding, which is also helpful information. Another 2020. Like I said, I've never ever found one of the 75th anniversary 2020 $2 coins, and so I like to find one, but they haven't made their way into Victoria, it seems. No, nothing there, guys. The start was great, the end not so great, but they're all in random order. We don't know what we're going to find, and that's what I love about the hunt. Another coin I've never found is a poppy, the red poppy from 2012. I know most of the ones that do get found have certainly been well circulated and do show damage. The paint comes off or it's been scratched off over time, so they're not always going to be... Yeah, we've got 2 keepers right here. Alright, well, not necessarily going to be a keeper, but certainly a colour. So we've got a Let's Forget, which is from 2017. So I'll add that to today's pile. And we also have, which this is another one of the ones I do not find very often. I know it's got no colour on it, but it is the Invictus Games coin. What year was that from? That was from 2018. So another keeper for the hunt. Alright, let's pop it up there. Anything else going to reveal itself in this roll? Another 2020. Alright, we've got 2 final rolls to finish off this hunt. A bit of a shiny one back there. Tip a few out and see what we can find. Oh yes, we've got... There we have it there, the Aboriginal flag coin from 2021. Now I should talk about this. If I can get some focus. I'll talk about it in a moment. I'll just go through these, what's in my hand, and then we can talk about that. Because it's a question I get asked a lot, or people send me photos of their Aboriginal flag coin, and we might be able to help educate people a little bit of what goes on with that coin. Alright, so just excuse the phone, it'll only ring for a moment or two. Alright, let's just quickly talk about that before we finish off this roll. So what I get asked a lot is, now we'll see that the head is up this way. When we rotate it, the paint is off on different angles, and sometimes you'll find them that they're absolutely perfect, which I think generally is only in the mint sets. To be honest, I think it's meant to be that way around, I believe. Now what happens is each of the coins is placed in a little holder as such, and then they're put into a large printing machine. Now the coins aren't necessarily all placed in the right direction, so they'll be just placed in, and then the paint is applied. Okay, the paint all gets applied in the same position, but the coin may be rotated in that spot. It's not an error. Okay, it's just the way that the manufacturing process takes place, and so there's nothing special about it, but yes, it is nice to try and find one that has the right orientation of paint. Alright, but certainly not an error. Alright, we've got a few more coins to get through out of this roll, and then one final roll, and that'll be the end of this hunt. And we do have another one there. So this one here, you can see the orientation of the paint on this one. It's pretty much straight up and down. Alright, so you can see there the two different orientations. How did I put that? Oh, yeah. Alright, a little bit different. So alright, let's just finish off this roll. We've got one last roll. Use that. Okay, 14. Alright, one last roll will finish off this hunt, and certainly I would call that successful. And they're not all Woolworths coins, which is typically what happens. We've had better luck this time. Alright. No colour in that lot. We do have some more to get through. And that's all the hunt, guys. So that's $500 worth of coins, and we've found a bit of a hair there, a couple of Aboriginal elders, one of the frontline workers, lest we forget, Invictus coin, one of the bright ones, which is the koala from the Commonwealth Games from 2018, a couple of poppies, and one of my favourites, the 2011 $2 coin. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribed if you haven't already. Thanks for watching guys, bye for now.